All right, we're gonna do an unboxing real quick. I ain't seen nobody on YouTube replace their pads and their rotors in their Jeep SRT. Or maybe I did. I don't know. Either way, I ordered some pads and rotors. I think these ones are the best deal. Powerstop rotors and pads instead of the factory rotors and Brembo pads. And all right, so let's just get into it. I ordered off of Amazon, so let's see what you can get. Alright. Okay, alright, so then it comes with the, oh, that's heavy. Alright, the Powerstop Extreme Z26 carbon fiber ceramic low dust formula, thermal scorch for fast braking, premium hardware included, blah blah blah. These are the front 6-piston calipers, should be. Let's see. Let's open it and look at it. Got the braking procedure on the box. Oh yeah, that's definitely them. It's big as fuck. Alright, so these are all the front pads. Driver side, passenger side, 6-piston. It comes with all your hardware, clamps and everything. It comes with everything you need. Come with a date on it and all that shit. It's beautiful. Alright. Let's make this quick. This, you know, it's not really, we can see. These are the 4-piston caliper pads for the back. I'm not gonna open them. They're just smaller than the front. What I do want to see is one of these discs. Let me see. All right, the big ones on the bottom, the small ones on the top. So we're gonna take out. We're gonna pause. All right, now we got one of the discs out, and if you can see how big this disc is compared to my hand, this disc is massive. Oh my God! Look at this. It's beautiful. If you look at it. That's a big brake disc. All right. This is the front, 381 millimeter. Yeah. Now we got holes and slices. For better cooling, better pads. Looks good. She deserves it. All right. I guess I should get one of the rears. So I'll put the rear next to it. All right. So we got both the front rotor here and the rear. Yep. So everything looks good. Rotors look humongous. Everything looks perfect. So we're gonna get these put on tomorrow. We're gonna make a video for that then. And I think I'll make a video of how bad the brakes are now before I change them. That's what I'm gonna do too. All right. See? That's the old rotor from the back. It's the new one. Yep. Yep, see?